What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are not working on the S650. We're actually working on Chris's S550. Yeah. And we are doing a little project here. It shouldn't be too bad of an install. We're installing some hood struts right here, the Ford Performance ones. Now these ones look really familiar to me because I got them as a Christmas gift a while back and I sold them to you, Chris.
Yeah.
So now it's coming full circle and we're installing them not on my car but on his. So you're gonna be brought up to the times here with the S650 with those.
Yeah. I'm gonna not have this annoying thing anymore.
I know, yep. Oh, the days. It brings me back, Chris. It brings me back. But yeah, this shouldn't be too bad, honestly. We're just going to, we have to do a couple things here. We'll lay out what parts we have in the kit here, which obviously you have your two hood struts. There we go. And then we have a couple little components here these are actually gonna get bolted on to the hood itself. These two get bolted on where the battery connection is, or the battery cover is over here, and then the same on that side. And we have a little template here that we're gonna use to make a small incision, Chris, into your
surgery.
Yeah, surgery. It's not good. We'll put you under for this, but it's gonna go right here. We'll drill a hole, and I'll talk more about that in a second. But yeah, then we're gonna install it, and that should be it. You won't have to use your little hood strut anymore. Done. All right, so I think the first one we're gonna remove is this one here, Chris. This is the one bolt holding your entire hood up. So we're gonna take that out.
Let's leave it out.
Let's just crank that on real quick.
Go hoodless.
Hoodless. You know what they say, if you're, did you hear that? If you're flawless, you can go hoodless.
5 years later.
Yeah, don't I have like an automatic? I do. Why am I doing this? I don't know,
it's all about the manual. Get the workout.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who needs a gym when you
have a 5.0 car to work on.
Yeah, man. American muscle. Oh, it's almost like it was made for it.
Huh. Suspicious.
Suspicious. Yeah, see, put that down there, and we'll leave it like that. It should be fine.
Chill.
No, I'm just kidding. All right, so then we're just gonna tighten this one up.
Manual labor there.
Manual labor again. If you don't have time to go to the gym,
yeah,
you can do this at home. It's pretty much the same as P90X, from what I've heard. All right, I'll just snug it down till it snaps off, and then you're good. This side is gonna be the most labor intensive, so we just have to remove your little thumb screws here. Take your battery cover off. Hopefully nothing's living under there, Chris.
Well, let's check.
Yeah.
It's a battery.
It's a battery.
We're good.
Now what were we doing? Oh yeah.
We need the drill.
We need a drill. All right, so we removed the battery cover here, and we have our little template cut out. So really what you want to do, from what I've looked up anyway, is you want to center the hole within this larger hole here, and then center this line here against this line, and you'll have a little gap on the top here, but basically this little mark is where you will use a punch, which is this one here, and you will punch a hole to mark where you need to drill, and then we'll use a little step bit to drill that out to about 1 inch, and that should clear the hood strut mount, right?
Good job.
Oh, perfect, thank you. All right. Hey, maybe I should look where the inch mark is, huh? Where is it? Oh, it's way up here. 1 inch is way up here. Let's see where we are. We only need to go one more.
You can do it.
One more. Okay, we'll try to clean that up.
So, doctor, how was the surgery?
He might not make it, to be honest. He might not. He's a little weird.
He's a little holy.
Yeah, he's got a bigger hole in him than I thought. So we're gonna have to keep drilling, of course. Oh, actually, he looks all right. It's not that bad. Top part up. Okay.
Monster, you should sponsor us. Because
Yeah.
we need all the help we can get when we work on these Mustangs.
Absolutely. So freaking good. That's their logo or slogan, isn't it? No, I'm just kidding.
Something like that.
Their logo slogan.
Louder it's going to be.
It will be now. All right. Well. Oh, okay. I was like, that's way over. Oh, it will be way over. Okay. Oh, God, Chris. I was like, I had a panic attack for a second. I'm like,
Because it does
it sticks over, yeah. Let's just test it.
that little doodad.
Yeah. So, kind of important, you're gonna want this piece to slide in like this, but you may have to put it in this way and then slide it over, but it needs to be like long ways like this. Very technical terminology, long ways. So we're gonna put it in, twist it, and the lock washer is not under there. So there it goes. All right, we're looking pretty good here, guys. Now we just gotta tighten up this little bolt here. Super easy. And then we'll strip that out real quick. And then that should crush that washer underneath there and keep this from moving. And then we should be good. To install that other one, we did have to drill the hole in the cover here just a little bigger than what a lot of people say. They say 1 inch. We went a little bit more than that. Right there, super zoomed in. Super zoomed in.
Gotta get a
You gotta get that
close-up.
shot,
Gotta
yeah.
get the angle in the shot.
The angles. And look at that. She fits like a glove, a tight glove. Oop, there's a piece of it there. Nice, Chris. This is coming together.
I appreciate your help.
easy.
I'm the cameraman, you're the workman.
Oh, yeah. But that's all right. This is good. Just for giggles.
Kicks and giggles.
What's that?
Kicks and giggles.
Kicks and giggles. Gizzards. Kicks and gizzards.
Gig, or however that thing is.
I think they're only supposed to be like 20 foot-pounds or something like that.
That's
So we cranked them to about 85 just to make sure they don't
Yep.
come out. All right, should we try it, Chris?
Let's do it.
All right, so I guess this little piece here, they say to route this underneath here and then snap it on. That way it's not just flailing around the outside. But I guess that's probably up to whoever to put that on. So let's see. Oh man, down a little bit. Oh, cool. Well, look at that, guys. One side is done. We got the hood prop back up there, just for safety. But I did notice in here, it's kind of tight with this little line, this little hose here that goes through. So, but it does seem to still move in here. So I'm not super worried about it, I don't think. I think we're gonna be all right. But everything else looks pretty good. And then we'll be able to put our factory clips back in here. And this side is done. So now we'll just do the other side real quick and then we'll test it out, see if it works.
Yeah.
All right, Chris, we are completed here. Let's see, this is oh man, no more hood strut. How does it feel?
Great. I just feel great.
It feels great. This definitely looks lighter.
Yeah.
Ooh, good.
I just gained like 5 more horsepower.
You did, definitely. I think 5 per side even. I think 5 per side, which is great. Should we test it to make sure it closes?
We should.
Probably. Hopefully no crunchy crunch. Eh, little crunchy crunch.
Well,
Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, I think it's this bracket that's making a little crunchy crunch sound on the metal here. I don't know if there's a great way to get rid of that without just doing it a couple times.
It's got to settle in.
She's got to settle in, but that looks pretty good. Oh, tripped. It's pretty good.
That's awesome.
You don't have to use your stick anymore.
No more of this.
No more hood strut. Or hood
Prop.
prop. That's the word I'm looking for. Let's hear Chris's car start up here. Oh yeah. That's about as loud as mine is, for sure. I think it's the same. It'll be way louder soon though. Way louder. All right, we'll see ya. Well guys, that was just a quick installation of some hood struts for the S550. I'm happy that Chris got those since I no longer have a need for them. Well, thanks for watching guys. If you want to see more content like this, hit that little subscribe button down there. And if you liked this video in particular, hit that like button for me as well. It helps the channel out a ton. And of course, we will see you in the next one. You guys have a great day. Bye.